What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. If you follow the channel, you know we have done a first look at a ton of Sonos products. Most recently, some of the sound bars, and also we have picked up the Era 100s recently as well. This, while not a new product, has been around for a little bit of time now, and this is meant to be more of an entry-level portable speaker. This is the Roam SL. For those of you familiar, there is an original Roam, and then there is a Roam 2. This SL really literally just stands for speechless. They got rid of a mic and cut the cost on this. I think this is a great option simply if you already have a Sonos ecosystem set up and you want to play this maybe outside, since it does have a nice IP rating. It does come in black and white. I'll throw those affiliate links up down below if you're interested. But for now, let's go ahead and quickly unbox this. This actually is on sale right now on Sonos' own website and Best Buy, where you can get it for only like $100. Very sweet to see. And right here, opening it up, this is what you're going to get. You have a little pouch with the Sonos speaker. And again, not knowing any different if you're just looking at it, it looks simply like the original Roam did. I like the design. It has a good amount of weight. You can tell the magnets are pretty good and quality is there with those Sonos products. You have a base here, and you have a top here that actually has some touch controls for volume and tracks and playing and pausing those things. But also, separate from this, you can buy the wireless charging dock if you wish. Additionally, inside you have a get started guide with just some bits of information. It is literally as simple as we told you. There's a power button. You have a USB-C port. You will need the Sonos app if you want to link this to your home theater system already. And then those shortcut controls right here are shown as well. One thing I do want to call out that makes this very unique as well, as with other Sonos speakers, this does have Wi-Fi built in and Bluetooth. And the big catch with that is if you are on your home Wi-Fi network, you actually can pair this over Wi-Fi and get about 10 hours of playtime. Whereas if you just connect to the Bluetooth, that is significantly almost cut in half. So it's something to keep in mind. And again, here is a USB-A to USB-C cable, USB-A to USB-C sideways facing cable in the box as well if you need that. Otherwise, this is the Roam itself. This is how it looks. So let me go ahead and get this charged and we'll be right back. So once you're ready to turn this on, you're gonna just press the power button and you will be greeted with a flashing white LED until it's ready to pair, where it goes green. And what you do, once you go into the Sonos app and you press new device, you will see it will be found right here, right off the bat. And you can go ahead and add it to your existing system for quick and easy setup, allow microphone access. This doesn't actually have a mic, but it is talking about your iPhone. So you'll be good to go here momentarily. All right, so as you can see, we have now a solid white LED indicator informing us that this is paired and ready to go. And you can choose your positioning if you want to stand it upright and have easy access to those controls, or lay it down on its side, simply like that. Obviously, if you're familiar with the app and the Sonos ecosystem, you can tweak your product here if you want to rename it right in the app, or jump into it, look at the battery settings, seeing if it's connected to a network or Bluetooth, and tweak it in other manners here with the equalizer, volume limits, and all of that. If you do go into the Bluetooth connection pairing menu, you do have options to allow always connect and idle disconnect, battery saver, Wi-Fi power save, and with this being active, that is going to be the way you get about those 10 hours of alleged playback via Sonos. You have your status light if you want, touch controls if you do want to turn them on or off, and a little more getting to know your Roam if you so choose. You can start a product tour. So yeah, that is the app in a nutshell. But yeah, I definitely like this speaker. Obviously, playing anything isn't going to come through very well for you guys. Unfortunately, they do have that magnetic dock. If you want to wirelessly charge this, you can do that as well. Like I said, this does have IP67 water and dust resistance, so if you take it outside in the rain, this will not get damaged. So yeah, just a quick look for you guys today. Let us know what you think down below. I'll throw up that affiliate link if you're thinking about picking one up during the Sonos sale. Please use those links. It greatly helps the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.